Hello everyone, and welcome to a brand new video today. We're reacting to a story by a creepypasta by YTP. I hope I said that right. Today we're reacting to The Very Hungry Plumber, YTP. Now, just to clarify, this ain't real. It's just based off of a creepypasta by YTP. I don't even know how to pronounce it. Well, let's do this, shall we?
YouTube poop. Smoke. Bad.
I'm gonna get copyright restrictions. What the fuck? What the fuck is this piece of shit?
Let me tell you how much I've come to hate you since I began to live.
Yeah, this is now permanent at a hotel. I dare you to find her if you can. We gotta find the
God, focus, goddammit. What the fuck? Oh, he's dead. Oh, okay. His eyes shaking violently. Mario, you're scaring the fuck out of me. Fuck. The fuck do you mean? The heavy? What did he just say? What did you just say, bro? Yo, did you not just say? He did not just say that word, did he? Okay, I think I might be the first person to react to this. What the fuck? What? ShamWow?
It fucking sucks, it fucking blows, it's a piece of shit. Every time you use this towel.
My god. This towel. Sorry. Ow. Shit. Run, Koopa. I don't remember your name. Gmod? Apples.
Hey, princess!
What the fuck?
How are we gonna find the princess with the power going out? Maybe there's a ditch in one of the rooms. Remind me to jig. That ought to do it. Bring a light? No!
Pingus!
Get ready to catch it.
Oh my god.
She's up there. Fuck you.
In fucking fuck you, heaven.
Hey, you! Get up!
The hell? What the hell? What the hell? Okay, I'm getting scared because of those teeth, bro. Oh. What the fuck?
Cloud.
Yeah, so the guy don't get demonetized for this.
Not coming down.
Guys, I need to pause this real quick. I am getting chills. I know you can't see them, but I am getting chills right now. It's not even funny. Holy fuck.
Hey, you!
The fuck? What the? Star Wars?
This is the end for you, my master.
What the fuck? Yo, we'll get some peak cinema and more copyright for me. Fuck.
It's the Mushroom Kingdom now.
I have the high ground now.
You underestimate my power.
Be careful.
I've never seen this Star Wars movie, whatever it is. Oh!
Hoi! Thanks to you two, I can safely rule the Mushroom Kingdom, free from the terrible Koopaling clan.
What the fuck?
Mario,
What?
is he okay? He looks, is he tired? He looks like he's sleeping.
No.
I am owner.
It's been one of those days.
It's been one of those days. It's what?
Careful. We can hit my
What the fuck?
Here's the thing, No Sil.
I'm gonna pause this real quick. Well, okay. Can we just take a moment? I am getting chills. I am deeply traumatized. That was pretty good. Well, let's see. Let me know if you guys want me to react to more like videos like this. Goodbye. See you on Friday. Bye.